Hi, this is a short video explainer for the new membership features that we are introducing. We're introducing this membership feature under this parent left navigation under memberships, which basically will have three parent tabs: classes, members, and membership dates. The classes tab is where, as an admin, you will define what classes will happen under memberships. So, in this example, on a regular weekly basis, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, classes will happen, and on each day, these classes will happen. So, in our example, we have three classes on Tuesday, three classes on Thursday, and one class on Friday. As an admin, you will have the ability to add more classes in any day that you wish. For example, I want to add one more class on every Tuesday. So, as an admin, I can do that. I can choose the program name, I can choose the teacher, and I can choose the time slot. And you hit save, that additional class will show up here. You can also delete any classes and you can also edit any classes. So after you're done creating the classes and setting up your schedule, moving on to the next tab. The members tab is basically where all your clients will be listed who have been subscribed to any membership at any point of time. So, for example, this client was subscribed to the 3 month membership, which was defined by the admin. More on that later. He was subscribed on this date, and his average attendance is this, and subscription status is active. Paused is when the admin has paused the subscription. More on that later. Active is when the subscription is going on. Right? We have two buttons here, one for adding a member to some membership, and one is for marking the attendance. We'll explain this flow in a bit. Moving on to the next tab. Membership tiers is basically the page where all your created memberships will be listed. Right? So initially this list will be empty. In order to create a membership, hit this button. We have this form. As an admin, you will define the expiry, as in the validity of the membership. So, for example, if you want to create the 3 month membership, we'll input 3 here. So, this will mean that from the purchase date up to 3 months, the validity of the membership will be there. You will add the subscription fee, which will be monthly, the number of pause days, any processing fee, if applicable, and any added description here. And you can hit save. After you save, the entry will show up here. So this will have the subscription fees, the description, the duration, and the number of positives. So after you have created some memberships, for example, 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, and you have also defined the classes, the schedule, now you can come to members tab and you can add a member to some membership, one of those memberships that you have created. In order to add a member, first step is to choose the member. So in our example, we select this client, then we are asked the membership. After choosing the client, you choose the membership. In this example, let's choose the 3 month membership. After clicking this is a standard subscription flow. So we are basically subscribing this user to the 3 month membership. The validity is this. As an admin, you can take some note. Subscription fees is this. Wallet balance, if applicable, then applied, and you can go to payment. Some processing fee will apply based on the payment method. So in this example, let's choose the credit card detail option. You can add the credit card details and you can make the payment to complete the subscription. In this example, this client has been subscribed to the 3 month membership successfully. So after this subscription, the entry will show up here. Now, similarly to mark the attendance, this is basically 4 steps. So the first is, as an admin, you choose which day you want to mark the attendance of, right? So in this example, let's choose 16 October, and then you will be asked for the program, right? So this is basically a drop down which will have all your listed programs, yoga programs that go on in your yoga studio. After you choose a program, the relevant class slots will show up here. You can choose one of the class slots to mark the attendance. After you have chosen a time slot, you can mark the attendance of the members that are present in this membership from this list. Next to every member, you'll have this attendance toggle. You can just toggle this to the present state to mark the attendance for this particular member in this membership for this chosen date. You can also search for any member in this search field by typing their name in. Once you're done marking the attendance for all the relevant members, you can just close this out, and the attendance that you have marked for the members will be saved against this membership for the date. In order to see the class activity and other details of a member in memberships, you can click on any of these entries. Let's click on this first client. So as we can see, we have the name of the client, the membership status of the client. This will either be active or paused. So this is based on whether the membership for this client is in paused state or in an active state. We have the membership detail here of which this member is a part of at this time. Next, we also have this button to pause or resume the subscription for this particular member. So we can click on this button to either pause or resume the subscription. So as you pause the subscription, this day counter next to the button will increase by one every day since you have paused the membership for the client. So as we had seen while creating the memberships, the field saying number of pause days allowed for a membership is basically this information right here. Next, we have the list of the classes that this particular member has attended based on the dates right here. So this is where you'll find all the classes based on the programs that this particular client has attended so far in this membership.